Happy morning, my dear kids. Welcome to Elga online class. All the time, while you are attending the online class, make sure that you have student reader, workbook, pencil, eraser and sharpener along with you. Shall we go to the class? Yes. From yesterday class, what we revised? Do you remember? Yeah, Unit 3, Phonics and then whole word session, right? Today we will revise the reading and listening comprehension session. Are you ready, my dear kids? From this, what we will learn from this? We will improve our reading and listening skill, right? Do you remember that? Yes. Now, you will open your SR book. I will give you 5 seconds time. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. I hope you and all opened your SR book. From this SR4, there is always a way. Did you read the story in your home, my dear kids? Yeah, now I will read once again. You will keep your fingers one by one for that line, okay? See this, there is always a way, right? Author Smith Mehta, illustrator Kiddy Benha. Yeah, here it is, first page. See this, I love Suharkans. Once I tried to pull one through the bus window. Mama scolded me. It is unsafe. She screamed. Okay, next page. Listen carefully, my dear kids. Okay, after completing the story, we will discuss this story. Okay, next page. I ran behind the sugarcane trolley. The trolley man scolded me. Go away, he shouted. Once again, I ran behind the sugarcane trolley. See, the trolley man scolded me. Go away, he shouted. Next page, see this. See the picture also, you will connect that, okay? I went to the sugarcane juice buyer. Buyer shooed me away. Do you have money? He asked. Again, I'll read this. See the picture. You also connected these sentences also, right? I went to the sugarcane juice buyer. Buyer shooed me away. Do you have money? He asked. Right? Next page. I thought hard. There must be another way. I had an idea. I ran to my brother Wilkit. Once again, I read this. I thought hard. There must be another way. I had an idea. I ran to my brother Wilkit. Right? Next page. We cycled far out of town. Tall, juicy sugar cans standing brightly in the field. See this, right? Next page. We washed the sugar cans in the tube well. We munched and chewed. Once again. We washed the sugar cans in the tube well. We munched and chewed. Right? Next page. The sugar cans were so juicy. I smiled. There is always another way. Right? The sugar cans were so juicy. I smiled. There is always another way. Right? Did you hear? Did you listen to the story, my dear kids? Shall we discuss that related concepts? Right. Now we will recall the vocabulary words. Okay. Scolded. L. Scolded means L. Screamed. To shout loudly. See this. Screamed. To shout loudly. Next. Shooed. To make someone go away. to make someone go away. Next, brightly, standing erect and looking healthy, right? Next, juicy, full of juice. Munched, chewed, okay? Great, my dear kids. Now, shall we discuss about this story? Right. What is the beginning of the story? Do you know that? After middle of the story, then end of that story, right? From this story, who is the character? Do you know the characters? Yeah, the boy is the characters, right? Where is he? He lived in town, right? What was the problem which the character faced? Do you know that? He wanted to eat sugar cane, right? What does the boy do about the problem that leads to the solution? See this? We cycled for town. Sugar cane standing brightly in the field, right? After that, he washed the sugar cans in the tube wall and chewed, right? This way, this boy leads the solution from this story, right? Now we will revise the events in a sequence, right? Good readers sequence in the events in the story while retelling them, right? We sequence the events into the 3 parts. How many parts? Do you know that? Yeah, beginning, middle, end. Okay, whenever you read the stories, you will first of all you will connect the story. After that, you will finish the story. You will think about that story, right? What is the beginning of that story? Then middle. After that, end. Now we discuss that. We read that story. Now we will discuss. I will show you that answer, right? See this from this story. See this beginning of the story. The character is a boy who lives in a small town, right? Then middle of the story, see that the boy wants to eat sugar cane, right? He does not have money for it. He tries different ways to get the sugar cans, right? Then end of the story. See this end. The boy and his brother cycle far out of the town and eat sugar cans from a field. So this is the from this story, there is always a way, beginning of the story, middle and end of the story, right? Once again, revise events in a sequence. Beginning, we will discuss about that. Who are the characters? Who are the characters? After that, what is setting? What is setting? That is the beginning of the story, right? Next, middle. What is that? Middle. Middle means what happens to the characters. What happens to the characters. Again, end. What happened at the end? How did the characters or the events in change, right? Now I will show you. See this events in a sequence. See, good readers sequence the events in the story. While retelling them, we sequence the events into a 3 parts, right? Beginning. From that story, beginning. Who are the characters? Next, what is the setting? In every story, you will discuss this parts, okay? Middle. What happens to the characters? After that, end. What happened at the end? How did the characters or the events in change? Okay. Do you understand, my dear kids? Next, shall we go to the next story for revision? Yeah, great, my dear kids. Now you will open your SR8, the Ahada girl, right? Compiled by Sakshi Bhatia, illustrator Girti Benka, okay? See this, I'll read the story, listen carefully, you also come along with me reading, okay? This way you have to improve your reading skill, okay? Many of you knows me as a famous wrister. I am a Geeta Bohet. But do you know how did I become a famous? Next page. I lived in Haryana where only men wristled. My father decided to make me a whistler. He wanted me to win gold medal for India. Right? Next page. He started training me. I woke up at 3:30 a.m. every day. I practiced in the Ahada for horse. Right? Next page. I saw another girls of my age. They wore bangles and ate candies. I want to become a great whistler. Right? I thought I practiced self-control. Yeah, super. Did you listen this? Yeah. I thought I practiced self-control. Right? Soon I became the Ahada girl of India. Right? I could inspire my sister Baptia with my hard work. She too started whistling, right? They call us the Bohat sisters, right? I whistled for many years. Finally, in 2012, I won gold medal for India. My father was so proud of me that day. I won gold medal for India, right? My father was so proud of me that day, right? See this vocabulary words from this. In your home you will read this story, after that vocabulary words, okay? Famous, known by man, people, right? Training, practice for a sport event. Training means practicing for a sports event. Next, inspire, make someone feel that they want to do something. Next, proud, to feel happy and satisfied with your result, right? Now we will discuss for this story sequencing, okay? Yeah, from this story, who are all the characters? After that, settings. Where is the story? Setting, right? This is the beginning of the story. What is that? Do you know the answer? Yeah, great Kutima. The characters in the story in Geeta Bohat. Then settings. The setting is Haryana, India, right? After that, second one, what is the middle of the story? Do you know that? Yeah, great my dear kids. Geeta's father wants her to become a whistler and win the gold medal for India. Right? He trains her for hours in the Ahada. She practices self-control. When she girls her age wearing bangles and eating candies. Right? You understand? Yes. Then what is the end of the story? Do you know that? Yeah. She inspires her sister Babchia with her hard work, right? Finally, she wins the gold medal for India in 2012, right? Now I will show you the answers. See this events in sequence. See, beginning. The character in the story in Geeta Bohat, right? The setting is Haryana in India, right? Middle, Geeta's father wants to her become a whistler and win gold medal for India, right? He trains her for an hour in Ahada, right? She practices self-control when she sees girls her age wearing bangles and eating candies, right? Next, end. Geeta inspires her sister with her hard work, right? She wins the gold medal for India in 2012. Do you understand, my dear kids? Shall we move to the next story for revision? And after discuss this sequence. Okay. Now you will open your SR 13, Dhoni the goalkeeper. Okay. Compiled by Shakshi Bhatia, illustrator Kirti Benha. Right? Shall we move to that? Yeah. I loved playing football. I was always the goalkeeper. My school was looking for a wicket keeper. They wanted one for the cricket team. Next page, see this. One day, my teacher saw me playing football. He is a wonderful goalkeeper. He thought he called me to meet him. Listen carefully, my dear kids. You also keep your fingers one by one. After finishing this story, we will discuss about the sequencings. Right? Next. Will you play for the school cricket team? He asked. No, sir. I like to play football, I replied. The teacher asked me to go on the ground. Let us try it once, he told me. I reached the ground. Go behind the wickets, the teacher said. I was always the goalkeeper in football. I knew how to play. I found it easier. The small cricket ball was lighter than a football. Everyone said I was an excellent wicket keeper in that day. I joined the school cricket team. Years later, I became a successful cricketer. People know me by the name of Dhoni. What if I had continued playing football? Right? Yeah, we also read that. Yeah, great Kutima. Now, first of all, we will see the vocabulary words from this story. Okay. Goalkeeper, the person who stops the ball from going into a goal. Next one, wonderful, excellent. That means very good. Next, successful, doing well in life. Next, continued, to keep doing something again and again. Right? Did you remember that story? Now we will move to the events in the sequence for that stories. Every time you will connect this sequences every story. Okay? Beginning. Who are all the characters for that story? Do you know that, my dear kids? Yeah, the character in the story are Dhoni, right? And the setting is in his school. What is the setting? The setting is in his school, right? Next, what happens in the characters in the middle of the story? Do you know that? Yeah, Dhoni loves to play football. He is the goalkeeper of his football team. His teacher asked him to try for the position of wicket keeper in the cricket team, right? Dhoni agrees. Then, do you think about what is the end of the story? What happened at the end from the story? Yeah, Dhoni joins the cricket team and becomes a successful cricketer, right? Yeah, do you remember that, my dear kids? Do you understand? From today's class, do you like? Yes. Shall we recall what we revised today? Reading and listening comprehension. 3 story we revised, remaining having 2 story independent reading. From your home you will read that. Then from this reading and listening comprehension related having some worksheet, right? Did you complete your worksheet? Did you complete your workbook from this unit 3, my dear kids? Yeah, if you are not complete means you will complete your workbook also. Then you will revise that workbook pages also from this unit 3, reading and listening comprehension. Okay, bye my dear kids. Thank you. Happy learning.